LDES Hybrid Control Panel eSIM384 is a professional alarm solution designed to be installed in domestic or small business premises. It has GSM GPRS module built in for communication to the homeowner, monitoring station and cloud services. Built-in radio module allows to connect up to 64 wireless sensors. This panel will monitor up to 144 zones and will control any electrical equipment. Easily configurable remotely or locally, wide range of control options, including free smartphone app, will meet any consumer requirements. This instructional e-learning video will show you step-by-step of basic installation process and help you understand how user-friendly, simple, and fast the process is. Preparation. In order to successfully install the system, you will need configuration software LDES utility, Android tablet or Windows Mac OS laptop or Android smartphone, where you will install LDES utility software and register. Metal enclosure with power transformer ME1, control panel eSIM384. SIM card. Inform your customer about GPRS requirement for cloud services prior to installation. Or if LAN module ELAN3 alarm is used, you will need Ethernet cable connected to your local network. 2 antennas which came with eSIM384 package. Backup battery. Recommended backup battery capacity is 7 ampere-hours. Wireless touchscreen keypad EWKB5. 1 magnetic door contacts EWD3. Wireless pet immune motion detector EWP3. Wireless outdoor siren EWS2. OTG cable for connection to tablet or smartphone. Mini USB cable. 230-volt AC power supply.